case you don't understand what you're writing at, we are giving an example for cost and revenue. Okay, we are going to apply this example on the Excel sheet, which we have here, and we go through it for. Actually, we have two cases, so we go for one case first, and we determine the second. So, is it visible out there? Right? You see that? Yeah. We have the input part as it shows here. So before you start, you have to write down number of alternatives that you have. Write in this cell. Say A. We are doing it for two alternatives now. So in the exam, whatever alternative you have to just put it up there to show the inputs. Okay? Then, for each part, for each cell, whatever data you have from the question, you will insert in the cell. Like initial cost, we said 500,000. What's that? So, then you have an annual cost of 5,000. The format would be something like that. So you have to learn how to place your inputs in this format. So you have arithmetic gradient cost incline. So you have arithmetic cost which incline. Okay? What is the initial?
2,000.
So you put 2,000 here. And how much does it increase every year?
50.
Then you come down here, arithmetic incline amount. You see? We put 50. Then again, we have arithmetic gradient cost decline. Do we have it?
No.
Okay,
No.
so we skip it. We have geometric gradient cost incline. Do we have it?
No.
We have decline cost in geometry. Yes? How much is
Yes.
that?
5,000.
And yes? Okay. How much does it decrease?
10%.
So either you put 10% by assigning the person to cell, you put 10. Otherwise,
Or 10 divided by
0.1.
0.1. Yes?
No.
Correct. Then we go to revenue, annual, it's 10,000, right?
Yes.
Then we have
arithmetic decline.
arithmetic decline,
It's 3,000.
3,000.
And the amount is 50.
Amount is
50.
arithmetic decline, yes?
Yes.
Decline.
We have
Yeah.
geometry, 4,000.
4,000.
Incline is
4,000.
and the
Incline.
amount is 0.1.
0.1.
Incline,
0.1.
0.1. Now, we need an interest rate. We consider 12% interest rate. Okay?
Okay.
And the salvage value of 150. Salvage. Okay? So you have interest rate of
0.12.
Then you have a salvage value of
150,000.
150,000. Okay. Then number of years. We do it for 3 years for this one, right?
Okay.
So we consider the years is 3. Now, go back to the we want to check how we link the inputs to the cell that have to calculate the output for us, okay? So basically, the initial cost is a fixed amount you pay upfront in year zero, okay? So before we start, you see, you have case A here, then you have number of years, right?
Yes.
So we do the same thing for this one. You have case A, you have number of years, 0, 1. When you select both of them, you go down, you can expand it like this, okay? Is it okay?
Mm.
Now, we have to assign for each cell corresponding value from the input. Okay? So, initial cost comes in year 0. So, it's the fixed amount. It has to receive it from the input and put it in year 0 and normal. Okay? So, we just assign equal to, what is the initial cost?
500.
E3. Yes? So no more 500, no more numbers, just cells. Cells coordination, B3. You see B, row
Three.
number 3, and column is B. So, for the sake of simplicity, you have all the numbers in column B. Just the rows will change, okay? So do we have to assign anything else here?
No.
No. Then we have the annual cost. What happened in annual cost? Where do you have to start?
Year 1 to the final
Year 1.
It's from year 1 we have advance.
And what is the end year?
the final year.
Final year.
30
So it
years.
starts from this year, goes to year 3, yes?
Yes.
Alright. Here, again, equal, we want to assign a cell. Annual cost, yeah?
Yeah.
It's a fixed amount,
Before.
it doesn't change. So we put this, and we expand.
We
What
expand.
will happen?
0, 0.
Why?
Because it is not fixed.
Yes, you need to put dollar sign because you have to fix the cell. Why? Because when you assign this cell to this cell and you expand it, it automatically goes for the next 2 cell, which is here,
Zero.
which is 0. Okay? So before doing everything, you have to fix it with dollar sign. F4 button is dollar sign, so you can use it that way as well. Now, once you fix it and you expand it, it will be the same. Is it?
Yeah.
Okay. So next one, what do we have in cost? Arithmetic gradient cost implied. The same row, yeah? Okay. So what is happening in arithmetic gradient cost implied?
It's happening 2000,
Starting with 2000 versus 50.
Yes.
More arithmetic. Explain. We have a fixed number, and the other fixed number is increases
Increase.
or decrease. Okay.
Increase.
So in this case, increases.
Yes.
So we have what?
2000
2000.
annual
In what year?
year 1
Year 1.
to year 3.
We have 3 here, yes?
Yes.
So the next cell has to be increased by
50.
50. So it should be 2000
And 50.
plus 50.
Yes.
What happened to the next cell?
2000 plus 100. 2000 plus
This one
100.
comes here plus 50. It means if you have 100 years, you will have to pick up the previous cell, add it to the fixed number. Yes? So as we say it, we just write it down in Excel. We say it starts from year 1. In year 1, you have the 2000. Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. So this is 2000. In this
Year
one,
2, B3.
in year 2, we need previous cell, which is this, plus what? This 50. Yes?
With dollar sign.
With dollar sign. It should be a fixed number, as we said. So, dollar sign, and you have 2000.
50.
Now, if we expand it, 2100. Okay?
Oh.
So,
So
we want to do it for 4 or 5 years to make it more clear.
Yes.
Okay, we do it for 5 years because it doesn't change anything. 4, 5. We have the same thing. Expand it, and we have the same thing. We expand. Okay?
Yes.
So this is arithmetic gradient cost incline. Then we have geometric gradient cost decline. What are we going to do then? What is that? Hmm?
It's increase or decrease with percentage.
In every
Increase or can you
Decrease.
tell me how, like arithmetically?
Like this is 5,000, it will decrease by 10%, which is 500.
No,
In every-
I mean we have 5,000 here.
yes.
It should be in year 1, yes?
Yes.
Yes.
So what will be the next one?
It's 5,000.
Multiply this by 0.9.
4,500.
First of all, it decreases.
Yes.
Okay? So we have a certain amount. We want to deduct a fixed amount.
Multiply
every
by
time.
0.9. 2,000 times.
What is that amount which is fixed?
5,000.
5,000 minus
5,000 minus what?
5,000
Minus 5,000 times
0.1. 0.1.
It's 4,500.
Okay? It's either decline or incline, but the formula is the same thing. So you pick up the previous cells, you add or subtract this amount. Which one is fixed here?
0.1.
This is the fixed amount because every time you will have to deduct the same number. yeah?
Yes.
But this number comes from the previous cell. So we write it down in the Excel as we write it down here.
And we put the little side to be 0.1
only.
Yes. You know why?
because it's fixed or
Why it is fixed?
because it's the geometric rate.
Yes, it's geometric rate. Okay. So we have decline.
Yeah.
Is that so? The first number is
5,000. B8. No, yes.
yes.
B8.
Right. This is the first number. The second one, as we said it here, we want the previous cell to be deducted by.
So B8 minus.
This is the previous cell.
Okay.
It should be deducted from open parenthesis.
B8
The same one. Same previous cell again, minus, or sorry, multiply in
Fixed.
0.1 fixed.
0.1, which is
The above
fixed.
The
Yes?
above 0.1.
The above 0.1. Oh, sorry, right. That's right. Yes, you're right. The above 0.1. Yeah. And fixed. Right. Is that fine?
Yes.
yeah,
And percent is
500.
500.
that's correct.
Okay, So when we expand it,
Can have the other.
okay?
Yes. It's correct.
It's correct. It should be.
We just do it for one set and continue.
Yeah, we expand. That's the point of using it. And you see, the next one, how much was this one?
4,500.
4,500. The next cell would be 4,500
500 times
4,500
times 0.1.
multiply 0.1.
Close
That's you get the
parenthesis.
fraction. Okay?
Yeah. Yup.
So
Total cost.
now what we do is we covered all the possible costs that we have here. Okay? In your exam, it could be different costs, different type of costs. Okay? But it's not going to be something out of the sheet that we have. Okay? So here we have different costs. The main principle is we calculate the total costs first. So 1 cost, 2, 3, 4, 5, whatever cost we have, we calculate it in different years, like in 100 years even if you have. We say for each years from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, for each years, give me the total cost. Okay? So you have the total cost of year 0 to n. Okay? So how do we write the total cost for each year? The is sum, open parenthesis, you drag it for all the possible costs that you have from the beginning. Otherwise you will miss one and your number will be. Okay? Then again you
Extend.
expand. So
Oh.
you have all the possible costs for all the possible years that you have. Now we do the same procedure for benefits.
Excuse me.
Yeah.
The last thing you spent is the total cost of every year.
This one?
Yeah.
No, look. The first cost, the first total cost that we assigned
Yeah.
was the total of cost which happened in year 0. Okay?
Which is-
So when you
yeah, sure.
expand it, it goes column by column because it calculates this one first, different type of cost in year 0.
Yeah.
So you got the total. When you expand it this way, it gives you cost for each year. Right?
Yeah.
If you want the total cost, like for all the costs which happened during the year 0 to year 3, you have to get another sum of this cost.
So the results of this last one.
Yeah? It just follows a direction. So you give the first direction, you say, calculate the summation of all the costs happened in this column. When you expand it, it says, okay, I will calculate the summation of all the costs happened in this. It goes accordingly. Okay? Now, for the revenue, we have annual
5,000.
10,000.
10,000. Yes, 10,000.
And from year 1. right?
Yes. B14.
B14 and fixed, like the cost.
Yeah.
Okay? Then we can expand it. We don't need to write it down for every year. Then we have
Arithmetic
decline,
2,000 by
arithmetic
50.
decline year from year
to year.
It's 3,000,
Year
right?
5.
Oh, sorry.
Can extend it. Should write
So
B16.
3,000 here, then we have equal to
B
3,000 is a decline. Minus.
minus
Uh,
Minus.
is that-
50.
is it the same thing?
Yes, B20.
50 fixed.
Minus B20.
Is that right?
Yes, it's correct.
So we have the geometric one, which is
4,000. 4,000 by 10%.
4,000 by 10% incline, yes?
Yeah.
You have is equal to 4,000.
B16.
Then this one is equal to
4,000
4,000 incline
plus
plus open parenthesis. Again 4,000 multiplied by
0.1.
0.1 fixed. Okay? And we expand
So, how do you make it fit? You press enter.
Yeah.
You press enter to make it fit.
Just press one button when you need to put it fixed. Now which button?
it. F4, that's it. F4.
Or for make it fit.
Yes.
Okay.
You can either you can write down like this. You can write down the dollar before and after the
letter.
column. Yes, after the column. Like it's B column. So you put the dollar before and after the column, and then the number of the row that you want to fix. Or you go highlight it and put F4, and you get it fixed. What about the salvage value?
Last year.
Salvage is 150,000.
That I can read. 150 fixed. Then we have total revenue, yes? So we have sum sum from here to here. Okay. So from here we have two different parameters we calculated now. One is total cost, one is
Total revenue.
What do we want? Net cash flow.
So the difference between this.
Net cash flow, right? We have different costs and we have different revenues. Net cash flow is the deduction of revenue minus cost. Okay?
Yes.
So you have equal to, what is the total revenue?
Of year 0? 0.
You start from 1 year, you expand it to all years.
This is what is it in the what is it in the I don't know the Excel.
What is it written
The dark blue one.
The blue one.
there? Net cash flow. Net cash flow.
Yes, net cash flow.
Revenue minus cost. Okay? You expand it. This is your net cash flow after calculating all the costs and revenue related to the exam. Okay?
Can you repeat it again?
Repeat which one?
The last one.
the last one, net cash flow. Net cash flow is the subtraction of revenue and cost. Like when you deduct revenue from the cost, you will get your benefit, basically. The benefit here in year 0, because we don't have any revenue in year 0, but we have an initial cost in year 0, we get minus. So there is no benefit in year 0. You pay minus $500,000, okay? But next year, you see, you have
Benefits.
benefit. So, you remember how do we calculate the profitability of a case in the exam? Like, this is the cash flow. You have revenues and you have costs, okay? The total cash flow in this case shows you have one big cost here, then 1, 2, and 3 different revenues, okay? So what did we do? We start bringing them all back to year 0, add them together to see if it was a profitable case or not. NPV is the same thing. It means the same thing. It brings back all the value from the years using the discount rate to year 0, add them together, and tell you if I am a positive value, it means the case is profitable. If I am a negative value, it means the case wasn't good enough to perform, okay? So how do we calculate the NPV in Excel? We write down equal to NPV, open parenthesis. You have a discount rate. You see it here. It gives you the direction how to write it down, okay? You have first the rate. You will have to give it discount rate or interest rate.
0.12.
Then you start from year 0. Don't forget. You start from year 1.
Oh.
You start getting the number from net cash flow from year 1, drag it to the last. Then you close parenthesis plus what is remaining, year 0. Okay? So what does it say? It gives you
Present value.
parenthesis sign with red. It means the net present value of the case is minus, is negative. So the case shouldn't be performed because NPV is
Negative.
minus.
So we don't have benefit.
So 500,000 we added or subtracted?
You just add. You don't look at the minus or plus because the cases are different. We say you write down equal to NPV, open parenthesis, you put interest rate, comma, start getting the value from year 1 to end, close parenthesis, plus year 0. Whatever is year 0, doesn't matter if it's minus or if it's plus or whatever it is. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, let's build another example.
For B is the same, yes? For B everything is same. For alternative B.
Everything is the same.
We have some numbers we should just substitute.
Yeah.
Same process.
Same process, you can say same process. What are you going to do with it? let's see how you do the same process. You have 800,000, 50,000 by 500, and you have 4,000, then you have 80,000 by 20 degrees. You are able to
60,000. 6,000.
How much was the first one? No, just make it 100. Okay.
Salvage value.
Time you press the keyboard you know, just press. Like the way I'm explaining which pictures. When you are pressing
Look, there is just one button which is important. One single button. That's F4 to fix. That's it. When you want to fix, select for fixing, or deselect, you can use F4. That's it. What do you mean?
You sent me the previous video.
Huh?
You sent me the previous video.
I tried to send, but 100 times it doesn't send. I don't know why.
I told you I will give you the USB.
Give me a USB. I cannot listen. Why? Just make a Telegram. Telegram, you know. You have Telegram.
Telegram.
Download this application. It's like WhatsApp.
Okay.
How you say it?
Which application?
Telegram.
Huh?
Telegram.
What happened to it?
I want to send him the video.
Not the